Hey there. Today we're gonna show you a model called MetroVB RP. That's Windows 10, but it looks like Windows 8 series previous. We're gonna turn on the system and show you what it looks like. Oh my god, guy. Oh my god. We're trying to press that 2 there. We're gonna press C-ROM. Yeah, so I'll put this right here. We can get more based on. See, oh, come on. Yeah, this is the installer. Come on. So you got the Windows 8 install right here. What did the old Windows 8 7 years ago? Pretty nice to have the old Windows 8 stuff set. Tap in there. We're gonna go ahead and skip. We don't need a product here now. You're gonna see the license agreement, which is due 2021. We're gonna scale it. So we're gonna at least get rid of all these partitions at least. And we're gonna install the OS. Student name. Oh my god! Stop coming with this student name. Now we just wait out. It's just the same install as many errors. We're gonna see when hopefully the next time. Now here we are in the desktop. Oh my god, stop this to me. Install VR tools with the VR tool. Now we're going to install VR tools. We'll start exporting OS. That's our next step, install VR tools. We're not having aero glass yet. Now we got our screen changed. Let's start. Oh my god, I forgot to Windows something here. You see the Windows button goes to your start menu. This is the start menu looks like, if you're wondering. So you got a tab with start menu with all default shortcuts. So you're gonna have like your with a PS a lot are not gonna work because it's Soul apps. Yeah, the wallpaper has the roses. We also have a modified file explorer. Kind of cool to have the Windows Erase Preview file explorer there too. It's good. See, Windows also supports this Windows Erase Preview as well, but this is based on Windows 10. So it's not Windows 8 Erase Preview. In fact, I can go ahead and show you right now when we get into the browser. All the control power. Oh my god, I have to use freaking that to get to where here if you get to this. Run. There we go. Gotta go to control. There we go. See, all the Windows apps are still there. We can go to display. You got the old display. Oh, it starts back. That's when it goes to starts back. That one says our properties. Oh yeah, Windows 8. We also with the 8. This is kind of faked. This is just a what is this got after Windows 8? Oh, it's not going. Oh, we got this here. Oh, we can't. Yes, because to say you reskin. Didn't know it was even there too. Got the you're not gonna fit because this is a reskin. Let's go to BWiki Radio. We also have our old templates. We also have the Internet Explorer. Yep, that's just reskin Firefox. Don't want to do that because I don't want to lose our Internet Explorer skin. It's gonna go out to stop Firefox. So you can definitely, you can also definitely see Internet Explorer about its fate because it's based on Firefox. Yeah, it's definitely not an internet source, it's just Firefox. So I can also go to my YouTube channel since it's just a Firefall link. Let's go to my YouTube channel. Or here. Yeah, it's just my YouTube channel because, yep, it's just a reskin of Firefox. Quite fun as a reskin of Firefall. So you don't have to even go to the just to even get to your YouTube channel. Now let's go to betawiki.net. Oh, I don't want to spell this wrong. I'm just going to go to virus forward. Oh, no, here. Here we go. /wiki /Windows E build E400. Oh, it's not even. Oh, it has to be under case. There's not going to recognize it. There we go. And here's the betawiki page. All are perfectly in there. We also have the welcome document, which shows you what you used by. We also have Aero Glass in this build. It's quite nice because like the real build. We also have the starting funnel from Windows 8. USC's been restored. We got there's not. Oh, we have a charter. I forgot the charter existed there too. Oh my god, if I can get this right. There we go. I can go to settings. Oh, it's not gonna do. I don't know what saying it's gonna. Oh my god. We also have the old sticky notes program. I forgot we do have that in this build too. In this modified, it's the old sticky notes. It's there too. So you can also see it's there too. We have. There's still a survey with shell. We also there's our result Firefall reskin. There's not a lot of stuff. We can see we also have the Windows 8 Metro apps. Go right to the video app. Yeah, but it's quite pretty at the time. Very much the same on. Oh, that's an early version of the Zoom video app if you're wondering what this is. This is an early version of the Windows 8 Zoom app. Oh my god, give me that stupid freaking screen. No, we know that one. That's just a reskin Firefox. We also have. Let's go to counter. Oh, it has to be awake as part of it. Yep, email address sign in. Email address sign in. No, we're not sending my White account. We also have the new. There's a lot of Bing as are not finalized. Let's go to the store title. Yeah, we also have the store title. Yeah, so it's the Microsoft Store. That's what it does. It's the Microsoft Store. We also have. Fine, we didn't think of that one originally. To be fair, we have to try it out, see if any more hideout because all the server dead. Yeah, just stay on the screen. No matter how long I waited. Just stay on the screen. Yeah, it's not gonna load. Venus is probably dead. Yep, Venus. Yeah, we don't have to even blur the screen because, yeah, I think the server, yep, the page should load. Probably because it's because these are not are new because they're sold. Also, music app too. Very quick. Yeah, do not get the error will update all these apps. What's guy? I never took this one up. Yeah, but freaking out to remind on the piano. No, it's just not gonna. Oh, it's not gonna let us freaking close it. Well, you were gonna do. We're gonna. Oh, it's not gonna get this freaking knee. Oh, we just got it. Oh, I was gonna see run terminal is going to kill SkyDrive because it gets stuck on this. We also got a reader. I didn't know we had a reader on there too. That's like, oh my god, like some EAP. Messing, nope, that's, oh, I think that's freaking part of the Microsoft communication. Yep, that's not gonna work. Freaking ask for a Microsoft account, which I don't want to go on right now. So this being child does. Yep, this is just like the final version. No, I'm not gonna go anymore. This is just gonna freaking ask for a Microsoft account. We got errors, which is goes to modify. Yep, there's the tell right there. You can tell it's definitely not. Let's see what else is here. Yeah, there. Oh, we got people, but that's just another part of the communication. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, we have available on this. To a desktop. We also. Oh, I forgot the files. Oh, that's just so always 8 file. You can see all the files are restored too. Quite easy to see what they back in when it's 8 release, but this one around when it's 10 LTSC 2021. Pretty good start though to see what Wiz A would have looked like in 20. If Wiz was released in 2012. So let's wrap up. So if you like this video, if you like this mod, hit the like button down below the video. If you want to be notified when we more content, just hit the subscribe button down below the video, and leave a comment what you like, what you think about this mod. And as always, have a great day.